Today's video is all about nature. Yeah, like this. This flower is going to be of the, what's it called? The picture of when you click it. This isn't it. Yeah, I'm calling it Jeffrey. Wait, I dropped on the bed. So I'm just going to stick it right in the grass, check it on tomorrow. Perfect, okay. Yeah. Before we do this, you want to know the best football team of all time? You do? Best football team of all time? Or college football team? It's LU. You already know it. Whoa! A blade of grass! Yeah. I need to touch grass today, so I just decided to make a video about it. Okay, done touching grass. Another reason I wanted to do this was it was a beautiful day outside. And I'm out here with no shoes and pajamas on. I haven't left my pajamas all day. Aim right back. Right back. Oh, sorry, I should play this thing. Well, let me tell you the gameplay. Just do a dramatic thing like Ryan Trahan does. The gameplay. The game plan is touch grass. I just touched grass. Don't know if you can see it, but I'm touching grass right now. Touch some grass. Touch some grass. I'm going to go touch some grass. Oh, I'm rocking on rocks right now. Walking on rocks. I'm walking on rocks. On rocks. Walking on the rocks. Oh yes, walking on the rocks. Let's go. It's a lot of work being a YouTuber sometimes. Not really, but make sure to like and subscribe. Here, look at the bush. Look at the bush. Yay. Let's go find some stuff. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. I jumped. Gotta go fine. Oh, this is gonna hurt. See, I'm barefoot. I'll show my dogs. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run. Okay. I think I want to get on the porch and do the outro. Because I don't know if I can do this for a long. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, that's going to end of this video. Touching nature. Mother Nature. See you later. If you want to watch a gaming video, let me know. Just hook me up. Probably gonna make one in a few minutes, honestly. See ya.